Welcome! Let's talk about ceiling fans. They are a huge money saver. Let me show you how. Ever wondered if your ceiling fan could make your home more comfortable and energy efficient? The secret lies in the direction of the blades. Once you have used a ceiling fan, you will never want to be without one. Some have remotes, some have wall switches. Either way, they work the same. In summer, set your ceiling fan to turn counterclockwise. This pushes the air downward, creating a cooling breeze that makes you feel cooler without changing the room temperature. Imagine feeling a light breeze on a hot, humid day. That's the effect of a counterclockwise fan, allowing you to set your thermostat higher and still stay comfortable. In winter, switch the fan to turn clockwise. This pulls air upward, redistributing the warm air that collects near the ceiling throughout the room. This clockwise motion ensures heat is evenly distributed, making your heating system more efficient and your home cozier. Some homeowners find the air circulation uncomfortable in winter. To avoid this, set your fan to the lowest speed while still achieving the desired effect. Okay, let's do a recap. Which direction should a ceiling fan turn? The direction of the fan's circulation is determined by looking up at the fan from below. The switch to change direction is typically on the fan's base. For summer setting, direction, counterclockwise. Blades spin left when you look up at the fan. Effect, pushes air downward to create a cooling breeze. This makes you feel cooler even without changing the room's temperature. Benefit, lets you raise the thermostat a little while still staying comfortable. Saves on air conditioning costs. For winter setting, direction, clockwise. Blades spin right when you look up at the fan. Effect, pulls cool air upward, gently pushing warm air that naturally rises back down along the walls without creating a draft. Benefit, helps spread heat evenly throughout the room, keeps you warmer and saves on heating costs. Set a reminder on your calendar. Change the fan direction at the start of each season. This small habit can make a big difference. Be cool in the summer and stay warm in the winter, all with just a flip of a switch. Your ceiling fan is more powerful than you think, so go and set your direction. See you in the next video.